heard we were extending Black History Month because of all the foolishness that happened in February. So today we're doing a full face of Black on Beauty. Starting with my brows, I'm using this Juvia's Place brow pen. I love this one because it makes me look like I have brow hairs in places that I don't. I'm going to do eyes before base today. I'm using the Be Fierce Beauty icing on the base to prime my eyelids. I'm also going to use this to help carve out my brow. I've never used this before, so we'll see how it does. I love a full coverage primer. Eyeshadow, I'm going to start off with the Danessa Myricks Lightworks VII palette. Warm brown in the crease. I do wish this palette had a darker shade of brown in it, so I might use another one. I'm going to switch and jump into this Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. Use this dark brown. I'm being really messy with this because I'm going to just layer on some glitters on the eyelid. Taking this shade to blend this out further. I want to deepen it just a little bit more, so I'm going to use this shade in this little area. Blend it out. For the lids, I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Sticks. I bought this a while ago and I just keep forgetting to use it, so today's the day. I'm going to use the foil side, and then on the metallic side, it's like this shade. Very smooth, very easy to use. Black Opal Eye definer on the lash line. It's a really creamy pencil, so I'm going to use it and blend it out. I'm going Juvia's Place on the eyelashes. These are Egypt Flare, like $10, $13. Alright, that's it for the eyes. Let's work on the base. For my base, I've been using the Danessa Myricks Moisture Repair Balm Serum and the Blurring Balm Powder in Universal Radiant. I don't know if you're supposed to use both of these together, but that's what I do, so. The Moisture Repair Balm literally gives my skin such a nice glow. This one, the Universal Radiant Blurring Balm, I like to use this one because in my head it makes my pores look better too. I love that golden glow that this one gives. For foundation, I'm trying LYS today. I've never used these products before, and I guesstimated on the shade, so hopefully it matches. The honorable mention, Juvia's Place Natural Radiance Foundation is one of my favorite foundations of like all foundations, and I use it all the time, so I'm not gonna use it today though. I got this LYS foundation in a bundle from TikTok for like $35 with a blush and a bronzer. This color looks pretty good to me. Very creamy. That looks really good. I think that blended out really nicely. I like the coverage and it still looks really radiant. I'm gonna try the bronzing stick too. I don't know if this shade is dark enough. I like really high contrast bronzer, but that's not bad. These are so easy to blend. I'm going to continue with LYS just because I just got this and use this blush as well. This blush is in the shade Bubbly. It's a very shimmery blush. I know I got blush blindness, so this is not looking as pigmented as I probably would go for usually. Pretty though. Very subtle for me. I like it. That's pretty. Okay, for concealer, I'm using a Thread. I just got this one too, so let's see how she does. Ooh. It's a little light. I like it light though. Is that ashy looking? Oh Lord. This is probably a me issue. I didn't need as much as I used, so I'm gonna wipe some of it off. Okay, a little definitely goes a long way with that. I'm gonna use my foundation brush and my blush brush to blend this a little more. I like this concealer though, like I didn't color correct and I have all that darkness under my eyes and it covered it really well without making it look shadowy. I'm gonna add just a little bit more blush. Sue me. I'm gonna use Thread to set this as well. This is the translucent powder in Deep. It looks kind of dark in the pan. Kind of scared. Okay, it's not. Even after all that powder, I'm looking very glowy, so I like that. I'm finishing my bottom lash line using the same shades I used on the top. Also gonna take this cream shade from the Warrior 2 palette and add this to my little inner corner here. I'm gonna add black to the waterline. Bronzer, I'm going Juvia's Place Duo Bronze Dark. I love how warm these are. I will be switching back to these full time when the summer comes. Powder blush. I'm using the Be Fresh Beauty Diamonds Make Me Blush palette. I love Brianna Marie. Shout out to her. These shades are so pretty. I don't even know which one to use right now. I'm gonna use this shade Soft Girl Era. Dang! One tap. That's it. Wow. The pigment is really in there. Pretty though. For lips, I haven't used anything Fenty Beauty, so let's do a gloss bomb stick. And use the Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Scorpio. This is like my favorite shade. Oh wait, let me put some powder on my lips. And then I'm gonna top that with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Riri. That combo is so pretty. I tried so many new products today and I love all of them. Like literally every single one, I have no complaints. This lip combo, this blush, that blush is insane. That blush is gonna be in my routine probably every day from now on. Anyways, happy Melanin March. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.